This video is part of a series of videos about understanding white balance on old cameras to make recipes for film look JPEGs straight out of camera. This time we try to understand Olympus white balance to make film look recipes. Hopefully after you understand this, you can transfer any Fujifilm film look recipes from the internet to your favorite Olympus cameras. Obviously with some limitations, because Fujifilm and Olympus obviously have different color rendering. To start, Olympus has many standard white balance options like every camera brand out there. You have auto white balance, sunny or daylight, you have shade, you have cloudy, tungsten, fluorescent, and flash white balance. But what we want to understand today is how to customize white balance within those options, which Olympus calls white balance compensation. On Fujifilm cameras, they call it white balance shift. On Olympus cameras, you'll have something like this to adjust your white balance. It's basically two sliders. These two sliders adjust two different things. The first one is temperature, and the other is tint or color. Temperature adjusts your overall image to have a warmer reddish look or a cooler bluish look. Meanwhile, tint or color adjusts your overall image to have a magenta cast or a green cast. So if you bump your temperature sliders up to the A+ or amber plus symbol, your image will look warmer as opposed to cooler if you bump it down to A- or amber minus. For the second slider, which is tint slider, if you bump it up to G+ or green plus, you are adding a green cast to your overall image as opposed to a magenta cast if you bump it down to G- or green minus. So if you are looking at Fujifilm film look recipes on Fuji Weekly, for example, you might be wondering how this white balance shift translate to your Olympus cameras. If you compare Fujifilm's white balance shift with Olympus white balance compensations, the comparison would look like this. Olympus uses A amber and G green symbol, while Fujifilm uses B blue and R or red symbols. For example, if Fujifilm's white balance shift says +3 red, meaning magenta, it translates to -3 green on Olympus, which also means magenta. Similarly, -2 blue on Fujifilm, meaning warm, translate to +2 amber on Olympus, which also means warm. Well, you might want to take a screenshot on this part. I have several videos about film look settings for Olympus cameras on my channel. If you are wondering how these white balance compensation settings come into play. Hope that helps. See you in the next video. Au revoir.